do part C now. Says find an example of set A and set B. That's now a different question again. Remember, don't try to make the move from one to the next, okay? This is now another question. Find an example of set A and B such that A is a subset. So we've been told A is a subset of B, and then A is an element of B. You have to understand this. This is carrying you. I said the thing that is going to make you special is to understand the difference between subset and the element of the set. So let's make set A. If I am going to make set A being the set with the elements 1, 2, 3, then now let's make set B. So what should set B be? First of all, if A is a subset of B, what does it mean? What does subset mean? It means everything in A is in B. So I'm going to go to A and see what is in it. There's 1, 2, 3. So B should have 1, 2, 3. So we have met the first one. Then the next one says A should be an element of B. And A is a set. So we might as well just put that set code set A inside B. That would mean AB, and that would make AB an element. So this should be now inside. For element, for subset, we saw that the things that were inside were also inside B. But for element, it's everything, including the braces. It's the whole of A is inside B as it is. I hope you are mastering this. Come on. So we would say A is the set with 1, 2, 3, like this. And it is all inside B as that. That would make A be an element of B. And would be done. That's what it means. This is what it means. And I hope you mastered this part. Okay, I'm counting on you. I am counting on you. Now we'll go to question 9. We'll do it in the next video. Goodbye for now.